right, folks, what we got here is a 2019 Toyota Corolla SE. We are going to check the air filter today to see if it needs to be changed after the oil change. All right, so basically the air filter is right here. It's in with two clips, one here and one there, and this top of the housing is going to slide that way because it's wedged in over here. All right, so it's two little tabs that go into a holder over here. So after you do your two clips, this whole top panel is going to slide this way and up and out of the way. So the only thing that's securing it, that's going to hold you down, that you can't lift it up, is this wire harness here. So this just pops out. Leave it loose or to the side, okay? That'll give you enough room. Hit that little clip over here. Hit this clip over here, okay? Just pry it down, and this thing is going to be loose as a goose, and you're going to slide it that way a little bit, just enough to get out of this little holder here, okay? See that? Once you slide out of there, this thing is going to lift up and out of the way. And once it's up out of the way, I'll do it this way, you can use your other hand to take the filter out. Otherwise, I'm going to do it with one hand here for you folks. So look at that. Just by looking at that, you can see it's dirty, so I can imagine what the other side looks like. All right, so say cheese. There you go. All right, there's all the dirt that's in there. There's more in there, okay? And you can see by the color that it is dirty, okay? The filter only goes in one way. You see it's rounded corners, and there's a one little square corner here. That is going to match this square corner over there. All right, so for now, so I tell the customer, I'm going to tell them that they need a filter. All right, so to put it back is the same way. We're going to lift this up, slide the filter in, get this little tab in there, and click, click. Let's do it. Let me set you up on a little camera holder here. All right, set you up on my little holder. Hopefully the windy day today will not blow you over. All right, let's do it. I'm going to lift this up. Put your new, supposedly your new filter. It's going to sit in there nicely. Put this back down. The two tabs are going to slide under like that. Secure it here. Clip here. Clip back there. Let me work around you folks. See that? Clip, clip. And then put this little harness sitting right in there. There you go. All right. Air filter 101, Toyota Corolla, 2019. And I'm sure the other years are just as similar. Okay? So like I said, the hardest part that's going to hold you back is this harness right here, because you can't lift it up. So move it up out of the way, and you're good to go. All right? This is a nice flexible hose. It's enough just for you to tilt it over and slide the little bugger out. All right? That's it. Thanks for watching. Ciao. Here's the new filter going in. STP from AutoZone, SA10190. All right, don't forget the little rounded corners and the one square. The one square goes right here on the bottom. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Ciao.